Installing a Delta Touch2O kitchen faucet is easier than you think when it's done the right way. From mounting and water connections to electronics, flushing, and final testing, this guide covers it all. No electrician needed, it runs on batteries. Let's dive in. Step 1. Preparation. Gather tools. Phillips slanted champ screwdriver, long recommended. 2 adjustable wrenches, bucket, towel, flashlight, and safety glasses. Confirm sink configuration. Single hole sink, escutcheon not required. 3-hole sink, install escutcheon to cover outer holes. Verify faucet components are present. Before starting, shut off hot and cold water supplies and wear safety glasses. Step 2. Mount the faucet. Feed the spout shank, cable, and supply lines through the mounting hole. Do not damage the identification tag attached to the faucet. Align the faucet so the handle is parallel to the sink edge and the LED faces forward. Under the sink, install mounting bracket, gasket side up, correct top-bottom orientation. Ensure supply lines and cable sit inside the bracket cutout. Thread the mounting nut by hand until snug. Tighten with the included wrench. Check faucet alignment above and confirm nothing is pinched. Secure the bracket using a Phillips screwdriver. Tighten evenly. Do not over-tighten to avoid damage. Step 3. Water connections. Install check valves. Insert ferrule into each hot and cold supply stub out. Thread check valve onto each stub out. Hold stub out with 1 wrench. Tighten check valve 1 full turn only. Connect supply lines. Match color coding. Red equals hot, blue equals cold. Hand tighten supply line nuts onto check valves. Use 2 wrenches and tighten 1 full turn. Avoid sharp bends. If needed, create a gentle loop, minimum 8-inch diameter. Step 4. Flush and electronics. Flush the lines. Turn faucet handle to on and full mix position. Place outlet tube into a bucket. Slowly turn on hot and cold supply stops. Flush water for 30 seconds. Shut off supplies and remove the bucket. Install solenoid and hose. Attach solenoid to outlet tube, blue clip facing up. Push until seated and lock clip. Connect hose spout to bottom solenoid. Install hose weight. Ensure hose moves freely without interference. Wiring and battery pack. Secure sensor wire using the C-clip at mid-shank. Connect LED cable to solenoid. Install batteries. C batteries for longer life. AA batteries using the included insert. Position battery pack. On cabinet floor. Minimum 2 inches from walls. Away from metal and power sources. Ensure wires are not wrapped or kinked. Step 5. Test and final check. Turn water supplies on. Check for leaks. Top and bottom of check valves. Solenoid connections. Hose and wand connection. Test faucet operation. Handle on-off. Touch activation on handle and spout. Confirm normal movement without shutoff. Verify LED and Touch2O functions properly. Installation is now complete. For troubleshooting or additional support, contact Delta Faucet customer service or refer to the printed instructions included with your faucet.